Hey everybody, it's Brian Haskins here. I wanted to make a quick video to show you some more advanced techniques and things that you can use to modify these websites if you'd like to. One of the biggest things for the advanced people that are going to want to be modifying things, they might want to add video and they might want to add images to really customize these websites. So one of the things that I wanted to do is kind of show you how to actually add that information in there. So we're here at the cheapreideals.com. We're in the back section of the website where you can modify it. You can see here this is the actual website we're going to be modifying. So for example, if we want to go ahead and add an image in here, what we can do is we can just select where we want the image to go. We can go right here where it says upload image, and you would search your computer and then you would upload it. I've already got one uploaded, so what I'll do is I'll just come right over here to where it says insert image, and we go down here to where it says image list. We can select the image that we want. We can modify the appearance, we can modify the size, we can modify however we want it to look in here. There's all kinds of advanced options. And all we got to do is we can click insert. As you can see, we've inserted it into the top right there. So now if we go down here and we click save page, we can go back over to the website, we can refresh it, and now we can see that we've got that image in there. Now, of course, that's probably not an image that you would want to put in there, but it still doesn't look bad. So what I want to do now is I want to show you how to edit a video into the website. So if we decide we didn't want this, all we have to do is go back up here, get default content. We come down here now, and let's say, for instance, we want to modify this section right here, which is this section of the website. We want to put a video in right here. So what we'll do, we'll go over here, and what we can do is right here, you see this little, looks like a film roll. We'll just click that, and it says enter video. We'll go up here, and we'll just do a YouTube video. We'll click iframe, and these are the dimensions that we want. We want to keep it really small. So the next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go over to the source. Now we're going to have to put the video in. So I'm going to go over to YouTube and pick one of the videos I already have made. We'll just select one. It's not going to match, of course, but what it'll do is it'll give us an idea. So for example, if you want to go to YouTube, you just click share. You can embed this video, and we'll do custom width and height. We'll go back to see what we want. We want 320 by 240. So we're going to do 320. Well, I guess it's not going to allow us to do that. So we'll just do 320. And it'll get us close enough. And then we come up here to get the embed. We'll go ahead and copy that. We'll go over here. Replace that code. We'll paste it in there. And we click insert. And then we'll go down here and we'll click save page. It's taking just a moment to save the video. Now we'll go over here to the cheapreideals.com. We'll go ahead and we'll refresh it. And now we've just added a video in here. Now you can make the video bigger. You can make it however you want. You can modify it. You can move it over closer to the opt-in box. You can add some text above the video, and this video could be you talking about how you've got these great wholesale deals that you can now use. If you want to add a video down here towards the bottom instead of adding it up here towards the top, we can go back. We can, let's see, we'll go back. We'll get our default content. So we get that saved. We've got our default content back there. And let's say that we want to put a video in right here instead. We'll go with the same video. We'll insert it in right there. We'll click save page. We'll go over here and watch everything change back. So this changed back to normal. Now we've got a video in right here. Now, of course, we have to go back and we have to edit it, which I'll do that now. Alright, so I've moved that space. Now what I'll do, I'll move that down. We'll go ahead and save the page again. And it should look a little bit better. But all this stuff is so simple. Like I said, you don't have to have any knowledge of anything other than like Microsoft Word, because that's all you're really doing is modifying Word. So there you go. You see, I've added the video in there. Let's say we want to add an image right next to that video. We'll go ahead and scroll back down. We'll go up here to add image. We've already got one uploaded, so we'll just enter the sign in there. Save the page. We'll update it. We'll scroll down. Now we've edited all that. So again, this is so simple to actually do. If you don't like the way that it turns out, you want to just go back and start over again, you just go back to get default content, and it goes right back. So what I want to do is I just want to kind of go through some of these different things and show you what they mean. Now, a lot of these you're not going to need, of course, but you've got bold, italicize, underline. You can do strike through. You can align your text. You can modify the style of your text. You can do the different types of heading font. You can do different fonts right here. You can do font size. You can do highlight. You can highlight the text. You can change the color of the text. You can add images. You can do links if you want to add links in there. You can do all kinds of different things inside here that that you can normally do. You can add in little smiley faces. You can add in video. There's just all kinds of really great stuff. So that's basically how you would go about doing custom modifications to the website. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you need any help.